Here's my footage of the snow, man. Oh my goodness. God, there's a lot of work to do here, man. And my stupid ass phone doesn't work. I have to use my mom's, man. Let me see if I can put it here. I'm gonna do the fucking cars first. Maybe I can do it on this. Let me see if I could do it over here first. Come on, dude, man. Man, I need a tripod. There we go. I think I got all of it. Yeah, let me fucking shovel this shit, man. Work, man. Snow, man. Can't get the footage, man. There's gotta be a way to put some footage here, man. Stupid fucking crap. I think I'm gonna do a live, man, on Facebook. See if I can get the fucking live over here. Oh my god. There's gotta be a way. Get this place, dude. Can't do it. You know? I'm gonna have to put it over here for now. No thanks, I got it, man. Fuck. I'm gonna have to leave it like this for now. Go back and forth. Can't do a footage over here, man. Let me see if I can get it. Oh man, let me stop this shit, man. Fuck, I wish someone could hold it for me.